Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving the res ieframe.dll ACR error HRM error that you're experiencing in Internet Explorer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Internet Explorer. Select the gear icon, top right corner of the browser. Just left click on it one time. And you want to select where it says Manage Add-ons. Highlight over everything here. And then just right click and select Disable All. Once it's done, close it here. And then restart the Internet Explorer browser and see if that has resolved the problem. Another thing you can go ahead and try here would actually be to reset your Internet Explorer settings. So in order to do that, just go ahead and open up the Start menu. Type in inet.cpl. Best result should come back with inetcpl.cpl. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. Left click on the Advanced button or the Advanced tab. So where it says Reset Internet Explorer Settings, resets Internet Explorer settings to their default condition. You should only use this if your browser is in an unusable state. Go ahead and left click on Reset, and then select the Reset button. And now you will need to go ahead and restart your computer at this point, and then hopefully the issue has been resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.